I had a request to teach a certain Michael Jackson move from a certain video. The move in the video is only about 5 seconds, but it's going to take a little longer to teach it because it is pretty tricky. So start with your feet about shoulder width apart, bring your toes in, and like a lot of Michael Jackson moves, this is all in the twisting feet in and out. So while you're twisting in and out, you're actually going to move sideways and back the other way. I'm going to actually pick up my left heel and my right toe to move out. Now I'm going to pick up my right heel and left toe to move in and just work over to the side and then go back the other direction. So start with that. Just practice being able to move to the right and left. So you're going to start with 4 to the right. So start with your knees in. You're going to go out, in, but on this fourth one, you're actually going to sort of pick your left heel up and you're leaning over to the right because you're about to change directions and go the other way. So think of it as 1, 2, 3. I'm about to change. Now come back the other direction. So from the back, starting with your feet in, you have out, in, out. Lift up your left heel, bring it back down, out, in, out. On the fourth one, when you're going to the left, you're going to take your right knee in. I just pick up my right heel and move it over this way, and you're going to pick up your left toe and your left knee goes straight. So you have 1, 2, 3, pick up your heel, 1, 2, 3, pick up your toe. So now both knees are actually pointed to the left. So on this part, instead of going in, out, they're actually going to go the same direction for once. So from here, you're going to take them both to the right, to the left, and to the right. And to do that, I'm moving my heels. So I'm twisting on the balls of my feet. So I'm going right, left, right. One thing I noticed I was doing at first is really trying to turn both knees to the side, and that didn't look right. So just twist on your heels about that far, not all the way around. So from the beginning, you have out, in, out, lift your heel, out, in, out, lift your toe. Now go right, left, right. And here he picks up his right leg. And that seems pretty easy, but it's kind of awkward when you do it with the rest of the move because of where your weight or where your momentum is. I kept wanting to pick it up like this, which is not at all what he does in the video. So think right, left, right. Keep your body in the same direction and just pick your foot up. And then when the next thing he does in the video, it looks like he lands like he's about to do this some more, but you can't tell because it cuts off. We're going to finish it like that. We're just going to finish it going in, out, in. So just the feet from the back, nice and slow, starting in, out, lift your heel, out, in, out, lift your toe, go right, left, right, lift your leg, and in, out, in, or however you want to finish that. So just practice that slowly. Don't jump ahead and get frustrated and quit. Just take your time. I had to do it very slowly a lot of times before I could even attempt to get faster. So once you feel comfortable with the legs, let's talk about arms. And I'm just going to do sort of mimic what he did in the video. You can do whatever you want, obviously. So I think of my starting position as having my right hand kind of up and my knees in. And you're going to go 1, 2, clap on 3, 4. So think 1, 2, 3, 4. Now come back 5, 6, 7, 8. So when he pulls his left leg straight, his left arm goes straight. And so for the next part, you're going to go right, left, right with your knees, and your arms actually match. So your arms go right, left, right, pick it up. So from the back. And I'm going to start with my arm here. Knees in. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left arm and right, left, right, pick it up, and then finish however you want. So take your time, practice slowly. It is a lot of fun. Let me know if you try it.